good day. I'm BAYON. Today I'm going to discuss about petroleum, uses of petroleum, and the products of petroleum. So today we're going to discuss about petroleum. We all know that petroleum is a fossil fuel that naturally occurs in a liquid form created by the decomposition of organic matter beneath the surface of the earth millions of years ago. These fossil fuels are then refined into usable substances such as petrol, kerosene, and etc. It is formed by the combination of hydrocarbons and other substances, mainly sulfur. When first collected in its natural form, it is termed as crude oil. This substance is generally characterized by a brownish-black color. Although it can also differ between red to pale yellow or even colorless, when it varies on the thickness or the viscosity from nearly solid tar-like consistency to low viscosity, almost like water. Refining petroleum thus obtain yields many useful products. So here is how petroleum and natural gas form. Tiny marine plants and animals died and were buried in the ocean floor. Over the time, the marine plants and animals were covered by layers of silt and sand. And then, over millions of years ago, the remains were buried deeper and deeper. The enormous heat and pressure turned the remains into oil and natural gas. Today, we drill down through layers of sand, silt, and rock to reach rock formations that contain oil and natural gas deposits. So we can discuss about products of petroleum. So, fun fact is that most geologists think that the petroleum we pump from the ground and later refined to gasoline and other fuels as a raw. When it is raw, it is called crude oil. So it comes predominantly from the fossils of marine life, such as algae and plankton. Petroleum products are obtained as a result of refining crude oil refineries. There are numerous products that are created from petroleum and its byproducts. So as a study reveals, by the products of petroleum alone provide scope to obtain around 6,000 new products. To name a few, such as fertilizers, perfumes, flooring, insecticides, soaps, vitamins, petroleum jelly, etc. So what is crude oil? Crude oil is a mixture of hydrocarbons that is formed by plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. Crude oil is a fossil fuel, and it exists in liquid form in underground pools or reservoirs in tiny spaces within sedimentary rocks, and near surface in tar or oil sands. So petroleum products are fuels made from crude oil and other hydrocarbons contained in natural gas. So as it is, petroleum products can also be made from coal, natural gas, and biomass. So what is also the petroleum products? So as a result for the mixtures, combination of hydrocarbons, the crude oil is removed from the ground. First, and it is sent to the refinery where different parts of the crude are separated into usable petroleum products. These petroleum products include gasoline, distillates such as diesel, fuel, and heating oil, jet fuel, petrochemical feedstocks, waxes, lubricating oils, and also asphalt. So here are some products of petroleum. So commonly you know that gasoline came from petroleum, kerosene, diesel, heavy fuel oil, tar, lubricants, also the special naphthas, paraffin wax, aviation fuel, petroleum coke, and as such. So we come up from the uses of petroleum. Petroleum is one of the most important and widely used fuel in today's time. Some advantages of these are: number one, these are transportation fuels such as the air, water, land that made our travel very accessible and very efficient. So diesel is used to power turbines for the production of electricity in the large scale of industries. Oil is used to produce electricity at homes and shops. We all know that oil also helps lubricate different types of high-end machines used in different industries, hospitals, and etc. Kerosene is also used for domestic purposes at home, such as in chemical industry to produce plastic, dyes, paints, synthetic rubber, pesticides, perfumes, and etc.